Once upon a time, I knew a bitch nigga. You feel me? Molly, you can't do this. Molly, you can't do this at the same time while you doing that. What type of hating shit is that? Now, I don't listen to nobody now, nigga. What the fuck make you think what you talking about right, my nigga? We all, man. Nigga, I don't wanna play with you no more. All you do is talk to me, and I don't wanna see what you doing no more. Cause all you do is talk to me. For what they talking about, man, I don't hear it. It's all about credentials, and it's all about statistics. I don't wanna talk to them niggas no more. All they do is hate on me. I don't wanna walk with them niggas no more. Cause all they do is hate on me. I don't wanna talk, don't tell me nothing if you gon' hate on me. I don't wanna talk to them niggas no more. Cause all they do is hate on me. He said,